Howdy, y'all. It's Handsome, and today we are going to learn how to utilize our young Kims to do multiple things before everything, like always. I hope everybody is staying positive, staying focused on their goals, whatever it may be. It may not even be repair. You may just be needing to clean your sensor, and all these other videos you watched were just crazy, you know? But I'm here to show a different technique. And the main thing is about this technique is it can be used not only for sensor cleaning, but for cleaning SLRs, DSLRs, film, digital, all that good stuff. And it was a hack that I was taught. Things you will need: your good old straight tweezers, Kimtech, young Kim. We're gonna need some ether. If you've seen my other videos, you get the joke. This is definitely denatured alcohol. Do not find ether. I guess if you do find it, let me know. Leave a link. One thing I forgot to add. Sorry about that. I personally like to use sensor solution from Delkin Devices. Don't forget your trusty air. Needless to say, it doesn't even necessarily have to be this. The technique is just, it could be used with the tissue. I've used it on vacation to clean my sensor. Then we're gonna do a good old R6 cleaning. Love doing sensor cleans on mirrorless cameras because there's no mirror. It's literally right there, and usually a lot of my customers, you can see that good old piece of right there. See it, boy, right there. And there's some stuff all around, but at the end of the day, everybody gets stuff on their sensor, especially these mirrorlesses, because people take lens off in a dust storm and put another lens on and then expect everything to be fine. Definitely not how it goes. We're going to grab young Kim. All right, so on the Kimtech, you can see this is the full wipe, and there is a crease in the middle. So you are going to fold that crease. You are going to crease that crease. All right, so on that crease, you are going to take your tweezers at an angle. So then you're going to clip in, clamp down. Then you're going to fold and then twist. And then you have a little bit of play right here, just enough that your tweezers won't go through and you can get a good wipe. One thing I do like to do is level out the playing field. Obviously, give a little blow. And I give about 1 or 2 drops, 1, 2, and there was probably 3. So, if you notice, I like to go in a motion and stay the same. Now, I don't know if you can see, but that mark is still there after hitting it with the solution. So, I give it a little tug-a-roo, and now that's still there. So, this is where we're going to get the ether. You're just going to get it wet, like you do at the house, and you're going to go over it. And honestly, that, my friend, is coming off, but we need to replace our technique. Now look, I'm going to show you again. You pull out the Kimtech. All right, Mr. Ether. Right here, you're going to fold it on the crease. You're going to crease it. then you're going to clamp, you're going to fold, leave a little play right here. That's your bendy type. And then boom, you get to folding. You got your little bendy. You're going to get a little more alky. Then you're going to get rid of that mark that's there. And you're just going to hit it. And then you're going to quit it. Just like that. No strings attached. Okay, look, you get to show you the technique again. So at the end of the day, you get a lot of practice. There's your fold. Got 'em. Then you're going to clasp, fold, and then twist. This one's a good one. Ooh, the camera gods shine upon thee. Now, I hit it with the alcohol. I got rid of my mark. I'm good. So now I'm going to throw a couple of drops. Just the exact opposite of what I say. And there's some scribble scrabbles up in now. Will you turn it upside down? Go and hit that air up in there. Just like that yonder. And so we still got some squiggy swagglies. Just hit that mic. It's okay. Got a couple more. But you know what? This is still damp. And that was a dang good. We can get some of those. You got a little bit of static electricity up on there. Don't ever really want to hit it super dry. But I still see a couple of things on there. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some alky again. But you never know what people have on there. Literally, the majority of what I see on sensors, I hate to say this, is fingerprints. And I don't know what people are thinking, that it's okay to hit it with your finger. Like, man, the oil on your finger. Man, that was another good one. The oil you have on your finger will basically make everything look like, geez, Manetti. There's this one piece that literally, I'm glad this wasn't a super easy one. Because then everybody would think, oh, they show easy. But the thing is I've been doing this a while, and anything that's easy is not worth it. And you should charge accordingly. If it was easy, don't charge them an arm and a leg. You know? I actually enjoy that sound. Now I got all them things right there, but man, there we go. Turn her upside down, and we're good. Da-da-dun. At the end of the day, with sensor cleaning, it is a field test. Another thing you can do as well is you can throw on a lens and then have a white background and blast it, or go outside and stand and do all that. It's another thing if it's your first time and stuff like that, and it's your personal camera, I would advise doing that. This was a quick one, just sensor cleaning and the technique of the tweezer way. Thanks for being a part of Handsome's history. Thank you, Cal. Thank you, Swan. Thank you, everybody that has helped me along this journey. Shout out to John Forrester. He's been helping me out for years.